India, a land known for its rich culture and artistic heritage, produces some of the most exquisite handicrafts in the world. Handcrafted with precision, these unique products are symbols of heritage and skill, carefully crafted by artisans. At CDG Inspection, we understand the importance of preserving the authenticity of these traditional crafts. Our Handicraft Products Inspection Service in India ensures each item meets the highest standards of quality and durability. We inspect a wide variety of handicrafts, from intricate jewelry to beautifully woven textiles. Our team employs the latest technology alongside expert craftsmanship to inspect each item thoroughly. From color consistency to structural integrity, we leave no stone unturned in our inspection process. Each textile is examined for thread count, quality of dye, and weaving consistency to ensure unmatched quality. Our specialists handle each handicraft with the utmost care, knowing that every detail tells a story. For larger items, we also conduct stress tests to confirm their strength and resilience. From delicate jewelry to larger decor, our inspection guarantees the best in craftsmanship. We even inspect packaging to make sure these treasures reach their destination in perfect condition. Upon passing inspection, every item receives a certification of quality from CDG Inspection. Our clients trust us to bring quality and authenticity to every piece, every time. Partner with CDG Inspection to ensure the highest standards for your handicrafts. Visit www.cdginspection.com to make an inquiry today.